Istanbul meeting crucial for highlighting Israel's ceasefire violation. As we have reported, foreign ministers of some Muslim countries will meet in Turkey on Monday to discuss the Gaza ceasefire and its next steps. Expected in attendance are Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, United Arab Emirates, Jordan, Pakistan and Indonesia. Chris Doyle, director of UK-based Council for Arab-British Understanding, said the countries will likely push for phase 1 of the ceasefire to be implemented more stringently before moving to other phases. You cannot have a situation where really it's a de-escalation, perhaps from the height of the genocide rather than a proper ceasefire, told to CNN News 18. And the aid has been getting in roughly 100 trucks a day as opposed to 600. So all of that's got to change. That is something that cannot be done right now. But going forward, of course, they have huge influences to the shape and makeup and mandate, even of an international stabilization force that could be involved in the way which Gaza is demilitarized.